Habari zenu, karibuni. Hapa ni Elimu Kiganjani. Tunaendelea na solving session inayolenga kuwapitisha vijana wa kidato cha 4 kwenye revision ya mtihani wa hesabu ili wawe tayari ku solve maswali katika mtihani wao unaokuja mwezi wa 11. Kwa tutaendelea na sample ya mtihani huu. Huu ni moko uliofanyika mkoa wa Mara mwaka 2023. Tumepewa tan A ni -5/12 na angle A is obtuse angle. The fact that A is obtuse angle, A is angle which is actually greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degrees. So we are going to introduce here a right-angled triangle to be in second quadrant. So here you'll be having angle A, and the horizontal adjacent side is going to be -5. An apology. Adjacent side is going to be -12. So we'll be having -12, while opposite side is going to be 5. By using Pythagoras theorem, you're going to find hypotenuse side, which is actually c square equals to 5 square plus -12 square. And so c square will be 169. C will be square root of 169 equals to 13 units. So now we are in position to find cosine A plus sine A. So cosine A, dear students, is adjacent side over hypotenuse is -12/13, while sine A, that is actually opposite of the hypotenuse side. So taking cosine A plus sine A, we'll be getting -12/13 plus 5/13, which is equal to -7/13. And then what about the second part? Cos square minus cos square. So the second part, minus cos square A minus sine square A. Actually this is minus out of the bracket cos square A plus sine square A. So we know the value of sine A and cosine A already. We have already found them here. So cosine A is -12/13. So this is -12/13 square plus sine square A, which is 5/13. An apology. This was supposed to be 13 here. This was supposed to be 13. So we'll be having 5/13 square, which is equivalent to -169/169 equals to -1. So the value of this expression here, the value of this expression, negative cos squared A minus sine squared A, this is equal to -1. We gonna jump to question number 9b. We were told that the angle of elevation of tower from a point on a level ground 450 meters away is 20 degrees. Find how high is the tower from the ground. So we are having illustration here. So this is tower, and the angle of elevation from ground is actually 20 degrees. And also the tower from a point on a level ground 450 meters away is 20 degrees. So the distance here, the ground distance from the tower ground to this point is 450 meters. We are looking for height of this tower. I think the easiest approach here is to use tan definition. So I'll be calling tan 20 degree. I'll be taking opposite side over adjacent side. So tan 20 equals to opposite side, which is h, over 450 meters. So the height will be 450 meters multiplied by tan 20 degrees. So when you multiply tan 20 with 450 meters, you're going to plug all these details in a calculator. So upon plugging all details in a calculator, I'll be taking tan 20 multiply by 450. Eventually we get h is 163.79 meters. So the height, find how high is the tower from the ground. So I could just call the height of tower, the height of a tower h is 163.79 meters, dear students. And now the next question, 10A and 10B, factorize completely the expression. We have this expression here, we have to factorize. We are going to use difference of two squares. So this can be written as x minus r square minus 2r square, and we're going to refer difference of two squares from a square minus b square equals to a plus b, a minus b. So basically this expression here will be equal to x minus r plus 2r multiplied by x minus r minus 2r. When you simplify, this is going to be equal to x plus r multiplied by x minus 3r. So that is complete factorization of the question in our hand. So you can just conclude that therefore x minus r square minus 4r square, this is actually x plus r multiplied by x minus 3r, dear students. Jumping to the last part of this question, solve by completing the square method, this question here. So we have a question here which is 2x squared minus 3x minus 5 equals to 0. The first step is to make sure that the coefficient of x squared is 1. So I'll be dividing by 2 throughout. So dividing by 2 by 2 by 2 by 2, so that you have now x squared minus 3 over 2 x minus 5 over 2 equals to 0. And the next step, now I'm going to take this to the other side. So we'll be having x squared minus 3 over 2 x equals to 5 over 2. Then find a number which, when added to this expression here, we are going to get a perfect square. So I'll be adding actually b over 2a both sides. You're going to add b over 2a both sides. When you do that, actually you have x minus 3 over 2 x plus 3 over 4 negative 3 over 4 square actually, this is equal to 5 over 2 plus negative 3 over 4 square. So literally this is x minus 3 over 4 square, and this is going to be equal to 5 over 2 now plus 9 over 16. You are going to simplify now the expressions. Upon simplifications, let us see what are we getting from this. So literally you'll be getting x minus 3 over 4 square. This is equal to, you have 16, so be 16 divided by 2, 8 times 5, you get 40 plus 9, and we'll be having now x minus 3 over 4 square equals to 49 over 16. So to solve for x, we are going to introduce a square root both sides. So x minus 3 over 4 is plus or minus square root of 49 over 16, dear students. And then eventually x minus 3 over 4 will be equal to plus or minus 7 over 4. Here you see that x will be equal to positive 3 over 4 plus or minus 7 over 4. You combine them under common denominator, it will be actually here 3 plus or minus 7 over 4. Separating them, x now will be 3 plus 7, which is 10 over 4, or 3 minus 7, negative 4 over 4. Eventually we conclude that x will be 5 over 2, or x will be negative 1. So that is solution for question number 10b. If it is your first time to be here, consider subscribing to the channel so that you're going to be updated on the other coming content. See you in the next video.